Good morning, everyone. Our project PV Climate concerns durability and optimization of photovoltaic installations with a particular focus on the impact of climatic conditions in France and Cameroon. This project is based on the collaboration between three groups in the following organizations: Aix-Marseille University, which is a member of the CIVIS Alliance, with a team from the Institute of Materials, Microelectronics, Nanosciences of Provence in Marseille, France, the Laboratory of Electrotechnics, Automatics, Energetics from the Higher Normal School of Technical Education of the University of Eboloa in Cameroon, the Laboratory for Extreme Conditions and Materials, High Temperature and Irradiation of the University of Orléans in France. The PV Climate project is a recent initiative which started in 2026. The appeal of renewable energy is booming worldwide, and particularly on the African continent. Technological advances over the past 20 years have enabled the fast development and installation of photovoltaic systems. In recent years, the technologies used in photovoltaic solar panels have become standardized. However, there is sometimes a mismatch between their design and their operating environment. In fact, they are designed mainly based on European standards and developed according to very limited and specific climatic, cultural, policy, and technological environment. Cameroon electricity supply relies largely on its exceptional hydroelectric potential. However, the household electrification rate remains low, about 65%. There is a need to develop local electricity supply systems that can provide electricity to isolated sites far from urban centers or take over in the event of a power grid outage. Photovoltaic solar energy is a particularly suitable solution in these kind of situations, and in Cameroon in particular. However, PV solar panels are designed according to standards adapted to temperate climates rather than tropical climates. The conditions of Cameroon do not correspond to these standards, with high air temperature, humidity, wind, sand, and it leads to underperformance or even degradation of elements of the PV system. The scientific objectives of our project are firstly to characterize the impact of the climate of Cameroon compared to the French climate on the performance, reliability, and durability of PV installations. Secondly, we aim at proposing solutions or recommendations based as much as possible on low-tech, low-cost, and local technologies. The training of young academics and researchers on these topics is another major objective of the PV Climate project. Thank you for your attention.